This is happening again. Dynamite fishing is destroying our reefs and marine lives. I will report this now.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
I caught some two fishermen using dynamite fishing, ma'am. I have here a video, ma'am. Look at this.
Fishermen, stop your boat! Now!
You have been caught violating Section 92 Republic Act of 10654, use of explosive in fishing. This is a serious crime. The penalty includes imprisonment up to 6 to 12 years and a fine of up to 2 million.
And you are also accountable under Fisheries Administrative Order number 201, which prohibits destructive fishing practices. Not only did you harm marine life, but you've also endangered the future of our fishing community.
Ma'am, we're just only fishing, ma'am. Pasensya na po, ma'am. Hindi na po mauulit. Ginawa lang po namin ito dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Dahil wala na po kaming makuha sa dati naming paraan.
Hindi na po namin naisip ang maging epekto sa dagat. Ang iniisip lang po namin ay ipapakain kami sa pamilya namin. Pero nagkamali kami. Sorry po talaga.
Intindihin niyo naman na kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay natin ngayon, hindi natin pwedeng basta-basta lang sirain ang ating karagatan sapagkat tayo ay mismo umaasa lang dito. Paano na ang kinabukasan kung wala nang maiani sa karagatan?
Sa susunod, humingi kayo ng tulong sa amin sa barangay. May mga programa po ang gobyerno para sa mga isda katulad ninyo.
We will file proper case for the offense you two committed on and revoke your fishing permit. But we will also recommend your enrollment in our rehabilitation and livelihood program. This is not just punishment. It's about helping you start over the right way.
And we will also conduct a seminar for local fishers about legal fishing methods. This should be a lesson to others and a second chance for the both of you.
Salamat po sa pagtanggap ng report ko at sana po hindi na mauulit ang illegal fishing.
Salamat din.
Salamat din.